From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, January 5th. Well, 2026 has certainly started on a brisk and rather frigid note across northern Maryland, southeastern PA, and the lower Susquehanna Valley. In fact, aggregate temperatures over the first 4 days of the month are running about 4 to 8 degrees below normal across the region. But the good news is big changes lie ahead this week, and a gradual but significant moderating trend will begin today and continue through the rest of the week. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at our daily climatology. And I'm expecting a high of 38 degrees this afternoon at Millersville, and that's right about average for this time of the year. Similarly, this morning's low of 24 degrees is just 1 degree above the average low of 23. Today's record high was 66 set in 1950 with a record low of 4 set in 1920. Taking a look at the Skycam from Millersville University, well, you'll notice there are a few breaks in the clouds out there, but overall, skies are mostly cloudy late this morning. As we take a look at the visible satellite imagery, that backs up what we saw on the Skycam. There are some breaks of sunshine across parts of the lower Susquehanna Valley, northern Maryland. There's more sunshine across southwestern PA, but generally, skies are going to remain mostly cloudy north of the Mason-Dixon line throughout the day and perhaps partly sunny farther south. Taking a look at the European model, for 7 p.m. this evening, what you'll notice is we have this area of high pressure over the western Atlantic, and the clockwise flow around it means that on its backside, southerly winds are going to direct increasingly mild air into the region early this week. High temperatures again this afternoon will be back around average, or right around 40 degrees, and then after a seasonably cold night tonight, what we'll notice is that southerly flow will persist on Tuesday, and as a result, despite mostly cloudy skies, high temperatures will reach the mid-40s to perhaps 50 degrees in a few spots tomorrow afternoon. You'll also notice this weak storm system located across the eastern Great Lakes region. Well, that's going to zip eastward through southern New England on Tuesday night. It's going to be pretty far north to bring much precipitation to the lower Susquehanna Valley, but a stray shower or two may graze areas north and west of Interstate 81 Tuesday night. But rainfall amounts are going to be on the order of a few hundredths of an inch with this system, and many areas may not see any rain at all on Tuesday night. So there's going to be very little, if any, impact here. By Wednesday, that system is zipped well off the coast, and it's going to be located in the Gulf of Maine or near Nova Scotia. So behind that system, west-northwesterly winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour are going to usher drier air into the region on Wednesday. Skies should generally be partly sunny Wednesday afternoon, and the air mass behind that system is going to remain quite mild and be generally identical to the air mass ahead of it. So high temperatures on Wednesday will again be in the upper 40s to low 50s. So if you can get outside and enjoy the partial sunshine and milder conditions. As we take a look at the short-term Campus Weather Service forecast, partly cloudy tonight, low 28, mostly cloudy and milder on Tuesday, high 46, and then breezy and mild on Wednesday with intervals of clouds and sunshine, high 50. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the short-term forecast. Tune back in next Monday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the milder conditions throughout the week.